Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant QNT. Is now in our support area here that we talked about yesterday, I think it was. That means target reached. Yeah, when we broke out of this channel to the downside, that was basically the signal that the C wave has started, or the possible C wave. I think it is a C wave. It looks like a three-wave structure, which is currently coming down here. Off the low here, which was around $100, we had an impulse in a wave 3, possible wave 3, could also just be an ABC, and therefore we just need to see, does this support area now hold? So in the bullish scenario, this is a relevant support area for a wave 4. We should not drop below the 50% FIB retracement at $132. If we do, then this imminent bullish scenario is sort of invalidated, or yeah, it's actually invalidated. You can't, well, it's not strictly invalidated, but it becomes very unlikely because, as you know, a wave 4 that goes below the 50% retracement does normally not exist. So it will, however, get officially invalidated if it breaks into the wave 1 price range here at around about $126. So it's not too far off anyway. So what does it mean? So it means ideally we have here a trade setup, yeah, for a possible wave 5 trade that could work out into the region. I have to speculate now because I don't have a confirmed wave 4 low yet, but let's say we go all the way down to the 50% retracement. Minimum target would be the $170 level, possibly higher, yeah, for that fifth wave. So that would be for the fifth. However, if we break below that level, then it leaves us with the possibility that we could be here in a larger C wave. Yeah, remember the scenario, which is still a bullish scenario, but short-term bearish, which indicates that we came down off the high in an A wave. This here is just a B wave, as I just said, ABC, and we're now coming down impulsively in a C wave. Now, that will gain much more in probability as soon as we drop below the 50% FIB retracement at $132. There's one more scenario that will become relevant if we drop below that 50% level, and that would be a 1-2-1-2 setup. So 1-2, and then this is another 1-2 setup, but then key support is the $115 level. Below 115, it increases the chances even further that we are in this C wave. And then we have a chance to get below $94, which was the A wave low here back in November, as per the bearish count or short-term bearish count. And yeah, then this is another area to scale in. So these are the different scenarios that could play out. This area certainly has a chance to hold. Yeah, if it breaks, we still have one chance, obviously, here at the $126 level. So that's sort of the first scenario. The second one, as I said, is that we have a 1-2-1-2 setup. There's no way of knowing that at the moment. And then key support is 115, and if we break below that, then we've got this corrective scenario where we get a deeper C wave. Problem here is that the C wave will run out of space, because if I'm taking the length of that possible A wave, go to the high of the B wave, then, well, really ideal target for a C wave is the 1-to-1 ratio. So we would land at $31, which is obviously doesn't really have place in this kind of bullish scenario. Yeah, so we need to be careful. I don't have, if we really drop lower here, I don't really have much hope that the C wave will hold, but this is still a relevant support area for the C wave based on FIB retracements of the wave 1. Yeah, problem is just that the A wave was so long, and the C wave normally needs some space, but it will run out of space quickly. Let's see, let's see. But this is certainly a long trade setup. But again, here as well, when you just simply buy into this, and that's normally how to do this, is when you just buy into this, you're obviously catching the falling knife. You need to know that. If you don't mind that some of these trades get lost, that's fine. So just buying into it blindly without a reversal signal means, okay, you might lose a few more trades, but still if you use a stop loss, it won't hurt you too much. But obviously you could just scale in with a small position, and then as soon as we have the first 1-2 setup in this wave 5, you can scale up the trade, yeah, because then you have a reversal signal. So it's basically that lowest or highest risk is when you just try to catch the falling knife here, because it could just go through. And lower risk is if you have the first 1-2 setup here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, A, B, C, and then we might have here wave 1 finished of the wave 5, a wave 2, and then you could scale into the next 1-2 setup of the wave 3 of 5, yeah, here, here, and obviously here. So you've got various possibilities to scale your trade up, and in each 1-2 setup, the risk will decrease. That's normally how to play this. How you execute that is, of course, up to you. Good, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.